Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super delicious, juicy jerk chicken burger. So let's get right into it. If you're a burger lover, I believe this one is definitely for you. So stay tuned. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Make sure you share this video with your friends and family, and let's get into it. Now, you know the Bible said you got to do things in decency and order. So first, we're going to toast the burger buns because we want to get all the condiment situations out of the way before we make the burger patties so we can just have everything ready, nice and ready to go. So you're going to toast the bun up just like this. You don't want it too dark or too crunchy, crispy. Just a nice little toast on there. Next, let's move on to the Swiss. Y'all know I love me a good Swiss. I'll be using this mango peach chutney with some mayo and some salt. And that's going to be like the glue to hold everything together. It also adds like a sweetened effect since the burger patty will be a little spicy in flavor. And, you know, it's going to balance everything out is what I'm saying. You could use your favorite mayo. That's what I had, child. And that's what I used. So I added some salt and pepper here. And then now I'm just going to mix everything up. You can use whatever sauce you want. But for this type of burger, you know, I'm using the jerk marinade. I feel like, you know, just do what I do. Okay, period. Once I mixed it up though and I tasted it, I felt like it was still a little too flat and I didn't want to add more salt, so I decided to add some lime juice. And you already know jerk and lime is like they're a match made in heaven. So I added some lime juice to pick it up a notch and it worked out perfectly. It was just so good. So good. So make sure you guys give this Swiss a try. This is also good on chicken. Okay, so if you want to put this on some chicken breast or something like that, or some shrimp, quick saute, toss it in here. That'll be awesome. So right here, these are the fries that I'll be using. You will also want to get your fries going before you make your patty. Obviously, I'm not going to make them from scratch because I'm a new mom. I'm busy. I'm surprised I'm even getting to do this voiceover. But I threw it in the air fryer, 380, 15 minutes, and they were perfect. And you just shimmy, shake the tray a couple times, and you're good. So now I'm going to add my ground chicken down in here. I'm going to be honest with you. This was supposed to be a turkey burger, but I accidentally picked up the chicken instead, you know, again, always in a rush. And so now I added my jerk marinade. You can use your favorite brand, if whatever brand you prefer. And with your clean hands, you're going to start mixing everything together. Now, there's a rule right here that's coming right up that I'm about to show you. Now, you see how I'm trying to form the patty. I slowed it down and it's sticking to my hands. I'm like, oh my goodness, it's sticking to my hands. I went and I wet my hands and came back, and then I was able to form them. So if you have issues like I did just now, just go wet your hands, come back, and you're good to go. This happens when the meat is more room temperature versus cold. If you don't want to do any of that, form your patties while they're cold. And then just let them come up to room temperature before you cook them. Do not cook the patties cold, you guys. That's like, don't do it. Make sure you get the chill off before you cook them. So this is how it looks right here. I'm going to cook them for about 3 minutes per side. And you can use a food thermometer if you're not too sure when it's done. I'll be using some provolone cheese. You can use the cheese you prefer. Also, I use provolone because I didn't want like a more intense cheese that will mask the flavor of the sauce and the chicken patty. Of course, you know, you really want all your flavors to marry together. So I feel like using a mild cheese like provolone, it just worked well together. Once I flipped my patty, as you can see, it has a nice crust. I let it cook for about a minute, and then I added the cheese on top and just allowed it to melt down for another 2 minutes or so. And now we're going to put the burgers together. Okay, so you want to add your burger bun down, of course. Then you want to add your Swiss. Y'all, look at that piece of peach right there. When I tell you that bite was so good, that bite was so good, you guys. But anyway, you want to put your Swiss down. Next, you're going to put your chicken patty down. Okay, nice and hot and steamy. The hot chicken patty also heats up the mayo and mango peach preserve situation, so it's even more flavor. Of course, you want to salt your tomatoes. They don't come seasoned, so make sure you salt them just a little bit. Super thinly sliced onions. If you can't slice them yourself, you already know you could buy them. Okay, so let's not do it. And of course, you want to lube up, no pun intended, the top of the bun, you know, why not? And then you're just going to put that right on top. and look how delicious and juicy this burger looks. Oh, and these are the fries. You know, those are the afterthoughts. We don't care about them, but they're there for presentation. And it's all good. It's all good. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I am not a burger girl. Y'all know I'm a chicken girl. I'm a chicken wing girl. Anyone that knows me, know me. I love me a chicken wing, honey. But thank you guys so much for watching. This burger was so good and so juicy, spicy, sweet, savory, balanced. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, tag me and let me know what you think. This is what the inside of the burger looks like. If you want to see what it really looks like, you can follow me on social media. But if you try it, tag me, let me know what you think. I love you guys for your support, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye!